Hello everyone. Welcome to Network Talks. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. I am here today with the new video. Today, we will discuss about Palo Alto Prisma GlobalProtect VPN. I will walk you through the details, then we will see step-by-step configuration of GlobalProtect VPN on Palo Alto Prisma Cloud, followed by testing. Let's start with the concept. Prisma Access GlobalProtect VPN combines Palo Alto Network's secure access service edge platform, Prisma Access, with their GlobalProtect client to provide secure, cloud-delivered remote access, effectively extending zero-trust security to mobile users via a unified agent that connects to cloud gateways, offering better visibility, control, and performance than traditional VPNs. It replaces on-premise portals with a cloud-based endpoint manager for simplified management, always-on enforcement, and advanced features like endpoint DLP, all managed through Panorama or Strata Cloud Manager. In simple terms, instead of connecting to a physical firewall at the office that is traditional VPN, users connect through the GlobalProtect agent to a cloud Prisma Access service. This cloud service acts as a virtual firewall and security stack, securing their traffic to the internet and corporate apps, regardless of location, using intelligent cloud gateways. When you decide to configure the GlobalProtect VPN portal on Prisma Access Cloud, you can have multiple portals across different geographical locations. The selection of geographical locations is solely dependent on your mobile users' locations. Now in this sample connectivity diagram, I have shown two GlobalProtect portal configuration. One is configured in US region and other is configured in India region. When remote users travel extensively or move between different network regions, their GlobalProtect VPN often connects to a fixed portal address. This leads to slower connection times and inconsistent security experiences because the portal is geographically distant or poorly matched to the user's current network conditions. Relying on manually configured or static portal lists introduces unnecessary friction for mobile users and reduces overall connection reliability. To overcome this problem and to ensure the fastest and most reliable connection for mobile users, Prisma GlobalProtect has a feature called Intelligent Portal. This capability enhances the deployment and connection experience by automatically selecting best available portal based on the mobile user's location, real-time network conditions and portal availability. So, I hope you are clear with the concepts. If you still have any queries or questions, please comment down below. I will try to clear all your queries. Now, let's start the GlobalProtect VPN configuration steps on Palo Alto Prisma Cloud. Before starting the configuration, please like and share this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now to stay updated with the new videos. Thank you. Now I am on the Strata Cloud Manager Command Center dashboard. To start the GlobalProtect VPN configuration, go to Next Generation Firewall and Prisma Access option. Here, select the mobile users under the infrastructure setup. To start the GlobalProtect connection setup, browse to GlobalProtect Setup. Under the GlobalProtect Setup, all the configuration related to GlobalProtect VPN connection is present. Let's start setting up the infrastructure settings of GlobalProtect VPN. Here, we need to define the portal hostname first. We can use default domain as well as custom domain for the hostname. If you decide to use the custom domain for your portal hostname, then you need to add the public CA signed certificate here. Additionally, you will also need to add a public CNAME record for your custom portal hostname pointing to portal DNS. For this demo, I am using default domain and giving portal hostname as Network Talks. With this will become my complete portal hostname. This section is for setting up the TLS protocol settings. Default settings looks good, so I am keeping this as it is. Next is client DNS configuration. Here, we need to define the internal domain name and the DNS servers. These DNS servers will be assigned to mobile users who will connect to this GlobalProtect VPN. I am keeping the primary as well as secondary DNS servers as Prisma Access default. But, here you can use your internal corp DNS servers and define appropriate domain name. When you add your own custom DNS servers, mobile users should be reachable to the configured DNS servers when they are connected to VPN. Otherwise, DNS resolution will fail. This is one of the crucial configuration of your GlobalProtect VPN setup. Next is client pool for mobile users. I am keeping the default pool given by Palo Alto Prisma Cloud. Here, you can even use your custom pool for the VPN clients. We are good with the basic setup. Let's save the configuration. Next, we need to add the Prisma Access locations. Click on Add Locations. You will see different global regions for your portal configuration. You can select multiple geographical regions for your portal setup. For this demo setup, I am selecting 2 regions. One is North India and the other region is US Central. Once the configuration is saved, you can see the selected regions here under the list. Now add the security policies. These security policies will ensure to allow required communication for mobile users. As this demo is for full tunnel VPN type, I will be adding 2 security policies here. These policies will ensure to allow required communication from the mobile users to internal network and to the internet as well. First, I am adding security policy for allowing communication from mobile users to internal network. Here, make sure to select desired zones, IP addresses and services. I have just selected the proper zones for demo purpose. For your production network setup, security policy configuration will be very specific. Once security policy is configured, save it. I added one more security policy for allowing internet traffic from GlobalProtect VPN users. Next step is to define the identity services for user authentication. Here, I am adding local user for the VPN authentication. In actual production setup, you will map your authentication server, like Active Directory, LDAP server or Entra ID here. Our basic setup for GlobalProtect VPN on Prisma Cloud is ready. Let's push the configuration now. While pushing configuration changes, make sure GlobalProtect option is selected. Add some relevant description and push it. Configuration is pushed. Now let's test the VPN connectivity. 172.16.17.21 is one of my lab server instance which is available on VPN only. I will now connect to VPN from GlobalProtect VPN agent and try to connect to my portal hostname. As my source system is in India, hopefully my VPN connection should be made with the portal in India. Excellent. I am successfully connected to VPN gateway in India region. Now let's access the internal server on VPN. See, I am able to connect it. This means out setup is working fine. Now, I will try to browse internet. As I have full tunnel, my internet should be flowing via my VPN. To verify this, let's check the certificate I am getting while browsing YouTube. I can see the certificate received is from Palo Alto Prisma tenant, so it means my YouTube traffic is working from the VPN gateway, not from my local ISP. Now, let's test the VPN connectivity from my test system in US region. When I connect VPN from US region, my connection should be made with GlobalProtect gateway in US Central region. Great news! I am connected to VPN from the system in US, and the connection is made with US Central Gateway. I am also able to access the internal resource on VPN. So yes, this was step-by-step configuration of GlobalProtect VPN in Prisma Cloud. I hope this was informative and I would like to thank you for watching it. If you have already watched till now, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. For any questions or recommendations, comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you guys.